Good morning, students. In previous lecture, you have studied about the diversity in living world, classification, and taxonomy. And you all have been introduced with the father of classification and father of taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus. He is also regarded as father of binomial nomenclature. Carolus Linnaeus. His contribution is also in the field of international nomenclature of biological species, and he first gave the term binomial nomenclature and also framed some techniques and laws to give an international identification by their name to the species. Let us see that what he was given and what principles, techniques was fed by Linnaeus to give the international name for these species. His first concept was the biological name of species should be given by two terms, or you can say that name. First, name is generic and second name should be species. Thus, according to him, in biological name of species, the biological name of species of any organism should be given by the two names. That's why this is known as binomial nomenclature. The term binomial can be understood by its Hindi meaning द्विनाम. द्वि मीन्स होता है टू, और नेम मीन्स दो नाम, जिसको दो नाम के आधार पर जो है दिया जाता है. Then the first name is related with its genus and the second name is related with its species. Now, second concept for this is given by Linnaeus. The first name of species, is start with capital letter and rest letters should be small, should be written small. And all the letters of the second name, it means species name, should be in small and italic manner. Italic manner. Students, you know that in MS Word there are three types of letters are used during the typing: bold, italics and underline. Italics का मीन्स होता है थोड़ा तिरछा लिखना, like this is the species in straight way, but when I write species, this is italic. Then Linnaeus said that the second name, it means species name, should be given, all the letters should be written in small and italicized. Whereas the first name genus is given by its first letter should be in capital and rest should be written in small letter. For example, taking an example for this concept, roe fish, you very well know that. Here I am taking the example of a fish whose English name is rohu, and now let us see that what is its genus and what is its species name. Its genus name is Labio. And its species name is Rohita. Students, here you notice that the first letter of the genus name should be capital and rest are written in small letter. Whereas the species name, all the letters written in small letter and in italicized font. Written in italicized font. Now also takes one more example from plant kingdom. Mustard, sarso is the Hindi name. Brassica, campestris, Brassica campestris. Brassica is the genus name of mustard, and Campestris is the species name of mustard. It is the botanical name of black mustard. Yes, students, black mustard. Then what is the botanical name of? It is interesting to know that what is the botanical name of yellow mustard. Yes, I will also tell the yellow colored mustard botanical name. The genus name will be same because the taxonomy told us that the identical characteristics on the base, they are grouped on the basis of similar and dissimilar characteristics, and mustard, both black and yellow mustard, both are high yielding seeds and gave us same like same quality of edible oil. That's why there is no difference in their genus name Brassica and its species name is Nigra. Yes, Nigra. This is the botanical name for yellow mustard, Brassica nigra. Next concept was given by Linnaeus is the species name should be the species name should contain more than one term, more than one term. What is the means of that? Linnaeus told that if the species name of some families, or you can say that categories of plants will be like or similar, then their species name should be given by more than one. Students, you all have to know that there is two types of flower of Gudahal, Hindi name of hibiscus flower. One is China rose and another which is found in our domestic places as well as in our garden, a very common species, and they are different or varies in color, red, white, and another variety of this hibiscus flower is you just like their petals, large number of petals are present just like the rose. That's why it is termed as more than different species but having same genus. Let us take the example of botanical name. What is the botanical name of hibiscus? Hibiscus, it is a flower of Malvaceae family, in Hindi Gudahal. Its genus name is hibiscus. and species name is Rosa sinensis. Rosa sinensis. Rosa sinensis. Both are the species name, Rosa and sinensis. Next concept was given by Linnaeus. The species name can be also given with the name of discoverer and on the basis of habitat. Let us take in more example of some animals and plants. Like taking an example of domesticated animal, then first of all come in our mind is cow. Cow. Its genus name is Bos and species name is Domestica. And students, you also know that the first animal was reared by ancient or prehistoric man was dog. प्राचीन मनुष्य ने जो सबसे पहले जिस जंतु को पाला था वह क्या था? डॉग था. इट्स zoological name is Canis, also Domestica. Likewise, students, in our surrounding many of the insects are also found. Taking example of housefly, its botanical name, its zoological name is housefly musca, also domestica. Musca domestica. Now, taking more example on the basis of name of discoverer. One more example on the basis of name of discoverer. This is the last one example. Students, mango, very common fruit. Its genus name is Mangifera and the name of discoverer was indica. That's why its species name is given after the name of discoverer, as Linnaeus was stated in his concept. Further, this system of nomenclature of Linnaeus was approved by ICBN and ICZN, International Committee for Botanical Nomenclature and International Committee for Zoological Nomenclature. I will more discuss about this international committee in our next lecture. Thanks students for joining today's class.